Hi guys, I did a charity shop video already today because I went round Bedminster and had a look at the charity shops down there. In fact, in the corner of the picture, there's a little radio controlled car I picked up. Anyway, that was while I was waiting for my wife while she was visiting her friend. We then went for coffee and we decided to drive out to Nailsea to go for our coffee, just for a change. And there's quite a few charity shops out there, so I had a second chance. And as you can see, I've picked up a balsa wood model aeroplane kit, Guillows. Kit number 302LC, can be flown with 3 different power sources, rubber band, contents enclosed, gas engine, only instructions are included, electric power, only instructions are included. I did just peek inside the box in the charity shop just to see if it looked like everything was there. We've got stickers, what, decals. I used to call them decals because I didn't know that the C was a hard C. Decals. I wonder if it's got a date on it. Because I don't think it's that old, being as it's laser cut. I've got quite a stock of balsa aeroplane kits, fully intending to make them at some time, but I just don't seem to get round to them. I would need to clear off my work table up in my workroom, which we can't even get into at the moment. Gosh, quite a lot of information in here. That says 1993 there. And this is a proper kit. Copyright 1961. So we've got the propeller for the rubber power. That can't be what they've given for the... maybe. Maybe they don't expect you to go very far with the rubber. Well, at first glance, it looks like it's all there. I do have some pictures somewhere. I might actually have put them on a slideshow on YouTube. My daughter's building a couple of rubber band powered planes. That one doesn't look very good, does it? Is it really? That doesn't look like that bit's laser cut, does it? That looks like that's saw cut. There's no burn marks in it. No, it's definitely saw cut, that is. That's your laser cut stuff. Okay, well, that will go in my stock, because I've no intention of doing that anytime in the near future. We will get to it eventually, one day, maybe. I suppose I really ought to do a little refresher of what I've actually got. Get the other kits out and just look at them. £3 that cost me. It looks okay. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.